In this video, I am going to teach you how to remove your current position in LinkedIn so you can keep your profile up to date and professional. This is useful when you've left a role and want your profile to reflect your latest experience accurately. Let's get started. Go to linkedin.com and sign into your account to access your dashboard. Next, go to your profile by clicking your profile icon at the top right corner. Now click View Profile so you can see all your details and experience. Scroll down and under the Experience section you'll see a pencil icon. Just click it to edit your job history. In your current job, you'll also see a pencil icon next to it. Click it to open the job details. Now you will see the Delete Experience option. Just click it and a confirmation will pop up. Confirm it and you're done. And that's how easy it is to remove your current position in LinkedIn. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!